BFT Thalia control board step by step. Hello friends, welcome back to Auto Door Surgeon. Power supply connection. First, let's connect the main power supply. Terminal L is live wire. Terminal N is neutral wire. Connect 220 or 230 volt AC mains power to these terminals. Always switch OFF the mains power before making any wiring connections. The control board uses a transformer to convert the voltage to 24 V, 4 motors and accessories. Motor connection. The Thalia board operates two 24-volt DC swing gate motors. Motor 1 terminals. Time lag during closing. This means when opening motor 1 is the first opening. When closing, the motor 1 is second closing. Connect the first leaf motor to terminals 10 and 11. Terminal 10 is motor 1 positive. Terminal 11 is motor 1 negative. Motor 2 terminals. Time lag during opening. Motor is delay opening. Means first motor will start after some seconds motor 2 will start. Connect the second leaf motor to terminals 14 and 15. Terminal 14 is motor 2 positive. Terminal 15 is motor 2 negative. If a motor runs in the wrong direction, simply reverse its positive and negative wires. Flashing light connection. The warning lamp or flashing light is connected to terminal 20 and terminal 21. Connect the flashing lamp wires to terminals 20 and 21. The output of this block 24-volt output. The lamp flashes automatically whenever the gate is moving. Photocell power supply. The photocells require 24 V power. Terminal 50 is 24 volt negative. Terminal 51 is 24 volt positive. Connect transmitter TX power input to terminals 50 and 51. Connect receiver RX power input to terminals 50 and 51. Now both photocells receive operating power. Photocell safety connection. Safety inputs are: Terminal 72 is safe 1. Terminal 73 is safe 2. Safe 1 is normally used during closing. Safe 2 can be programmed for additional protection. For a standard photocell, receiver COM terminal goes to terminal 70. Receiver NC output goes to terminal 72. When the infrared beam is interrupted, the gate immediately stops or reverses according to programming. This protects people, vehicles, and property. Command connections. Command inputs are: Terminal 60 is common. Terminal 61 is IC1. Terminal 62 is IC2. Total open command. Connect a push button between terminal 60 common and 61 IC1. Pressing the button opens both gate leaves completely. partial open or pedestrian opening. Connect a second push button between 60 is common and 62 is IC2. This command opens only one gate leaf for pedestrian access. Stop input. Terminal 71 is stop input. The stop input is normally closed. Install a jumper wire between 70 and 71 if no stop button is used. Without this jumper, the gate may not operate. Encoder and limit switch terminals. Terminal 40 is reference SWE-. Terminal 41 is reference SWE+. Terminal 42 is encoder 1A. Terminal 43 is encoder 1B. Terminal 44 is encoder 2A. Terminal 45 is encoder 2B. These terminals are used for motor encoders and limit switch feedback. They help the control board determine gate position, obstacle detection, slowdown points, and accurate movement control. Auxiliary output. Terminal 26 and 27 is auxiliary output. This programmable output can be used for gate status indication, courtesy light, additional relay control, external signaling devices. The function depends on board programming. Accessory power supply. Terminal 50 is 24V negative. Terminal 51 is 24V positive. Terminal 52 is safe voltage or V-safe. These terminals provide power to photocells, receivers, safety devices, accessories. V-safe is monitored by the control board for safety testing. Fault terminals. Terminal 74 is fault 1. Terminal 75 is fault 2. These terminals are used to monitor safety device faults and diagnostics. They are mainly used in advanced installations. Antenna connection. For better remote control range, connect the antenna. Top ANT terminal is antenna signal wire. Shield terminal is antenna shield or braid. A properly installed antenna significantly improves remote operating distance. So friends, this is the complete wiring explanation of the BFT Thalia control board. If this video helps you, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Auto Door Surgeon for more gate automation wiring tutorials.